What's up everyone, Dan here with Nisswa Marine. Thanks for tuning in. We want to do a quick walkthrough on this all new 2022 MasterCraft NXT20. Let's check it out. This has the Z6 tower. Something really cool MasterCraft does is all these boats come standard with clamping board racks, which is super awesome. Now the NXT20 is an extremely popular boat for that family that's just looking to get into surfing. Maybe you like to do skiing, but you want the option to do surfing as well, kind of give and take with the kids. So this is a perfect boat for that. And plenty of room. I mean, you still have your cooler location, which is nice. Cup holders, you have your phone holder, slide your phone, get it out of the sun. Lots of good storage. If you lift up the front as well, you kind of have that full pass through. It's really nice for boards and skis. Something MasterCraft did this year is they put the battery switch under the captain's helm, so super easy access when you're ready to start up the boat. 4.3-inch screen here as well, so you'll get your profiles and all that good stuff. Pop-up bolster seat, which is nice if you're pulling skiers or if you need to see what's going on in front of you. The lakes are getting busy these days. Nice walk-through area here with this closed door, which is really convenient when you turn on the heaters, keeps the back nice and cozy. And even though this is a 20-foot boat, it's extremely comfortable up here. I'm about 6'1", but you can kind of see anywhere you sit in this boat is comfy. I fit up here good, and you can fit a couple more people as well. But thanks for tuning in. This boat is listed online, it's priced ready to sell. Come on in and check it out or give us a call.